In this video, I want to highlight a Power BI behavior that can often go unnoticed and how you can design for it. Let's start with a basic report page. I changed the bedroom slicer to 2, then switched to another report in my workspace. When I come back, notice the slicer is still set to 2. I now change the slicer to 4, click away again, and return. And once more, it remembers my selection. This is because Power BI service automatically remembers your slicer selections using what's called persistent filters. Now in this example, that might not be a problem because the slicer is visible, so at least I can see what's filtering my data. But what if your slicers are hidden behind a menu? Let's take a look at this report. The filters are accessed using this menu button, which reveals the slicers when clicked. The issue here is, if filters are hidden, your users might not realize something is actively filtering the page. So what I've done is introduce a simple visual cue. When a filter has been changed, this menu button changes color. Here it goes from purple to blue. This helps indicate to users that something is actively filtering the report, and also helps me spot it quickly if I'm supporting someone. Now, if you want to completely disable Power BI from remembering filter selections, you can. Just go to Filed Settings in Power BI Service, scroll to Persistent Filters, and turn on Don't Allow End Users to Save Filters on this report. Now when I change a slicer and revisit the report, it resets to its original, published state every time. It's a small setting, but one that can make your reports much more predictable, both for end users and developers. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.